Hi all, welcome to Space Revision. We are a revision tool to help you master the core concepts for your exam. And with consistent use, we guarantee long-term retention. So let's get started. This is the community course. Alright, let me choose a free trial. For now, I'm gonna be choosing Class 10 CBSE. So I'm gonna take a free trial right here. Here you have three options: pay, free trial, and you can see the subscribers if you want. Maybe your friends are here. Let's take a free trial. Alright, perfect. Now your free trial has been added in my course. Let's click on my course. So let's just choose a topic, maybe geography, resources and development. You can go through the notes and then do the flashcards from the notes. Like this one. This had come in CBSE 2015. What are resources? I'm gonna try answering and then do show answer. A resource is anything in our environment. Okay, a bit of more explanation if I want. Alright, perfect. Or forgot. If I couldn't answer this, I'm gonna do forgot, the button right here. If I could, I'm gonna do perfect. For now, let me do forget. Okay, so it popped back again. Now I do know the answer, so I'm gonna do perfect. Alright, so you can do the flashcards from the notes, use the notes, or you can directly go to the revision button and then do the flashcards. Why is sustainable development important? I'm gonna answer it, and similarly, if I know, I'm gonna do perfect. If I don't, then I'm gonna do forget. So I'm gonna do forgot for now, and it's gonna come again. How does land play a crucial role? Alright, perfect. Let me do a few more. CBSE 2020. What is industrial management? Why is sustainable development important? We had done forgot, so it's popped back again. I'm gonna do show answer and I'm gonna do perfect right now. Card studying completed. Perfect. Let me do some MCQs as well. So I think it's this one. Oh, okay, this is incorrect. This is correct. This is what the app will tell you. Again, similarly, if I forget the MCQ, I'm gonna do forget, else I'm gonna do perfect. So for now, I'm gonna do perfect. So let's do a few more. Okay, so this is how you do the revision. Now let's go to browse. In browse, you can find all the questions that are there in this particular topic to help you revise all at once. So you can see all the questions, you can directly answer from here, do perfect. It's gonna come in 24 hours. So it's adaptable to you. And similarly with the MCQs, you can directly sit and you can do all the MCQs that are there in this particular topic. So this is about it with space revision, or day 1 of using space revision. Now I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look in day 2, and that's where the magic is. So after a few weeks, it's gonna look something like this. You have cards all around. I have more in physics, so I'm gonna choose physics for now. 3 resistors, 6 ohm, 4 ohm, 4 ohm are connected together. So the total, I'm gonna do this. Show answer, okay, perfect. You can see it was 11 days. So the days keep increasing based on your brain's forgetting curve. Okay, perfect. I'll do some more. Perfect. Go back. I can choose maybe history. There's more. CBSE 2023. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look after a few weeks. And as you practice, you're gonna see 4 different buttons. Forgot is you couldn't remember the information at all. Difficult, you struggled but did answer. Easy, you remembered the information with some effort. And perfect, you recall the information immediately. So you can do either difficult, okay, I'm doing. So this is how it's gonna look after a couple of days. And this is how you automate your revision and put all the information in your long-term memory. Easy, smart way of revising.